Okay, do you know what's through this door? Gotta get it open. This is the bedroom, but we brought stuffed animals and stuff back here and all that stuff. And then we noticed my brother's bed was soaked. And under this wood right here is that. Yep. Yeah. And that's my brother's bed. We haven't took the wood off of it yet. But the next video I do, I'm probably gonna... Oh, I already showed him that. Oh, look at the bed. Oh, look at that bed. Yeah. We're gonna replace the curtains. This is where my cat likes to stay. Plus, he likes to stay in here too. He likes to stay right there. But that's the top. So, well,
You showing the renovation work you're gonna do on your RV bedroom?
yeah. Look at that.
You got
See
a lot
how?
of storage.
See how that is a.
I do.
See how that's perfect? But on this bed, Johnny's has gotten broken down.
Oh.
Yeah, it's fell down. Nice. Yeah, I put these swans here. The perfect. How am I gonna get down? How am I gonna get down from here, Mom? Woo! Grab the mattresses to the other side of the bed, literally. Mom, look. I can ride the mattresses to the other side. Yum. And send it back. And let's leave. The next video we're gonna do. Good thing I'm a contractor, so I can do all this. So, yeah, we need to fix this place up. You can't see. There's a broom in the shower. Here's the bathroom. The bathroom. We got soap. That's air freshener. The purple thing. Okay. These open. Just open. Just open. So you can see me. You can see me. That's too close. Now you can see what phone I'm recording on. Right there, in that mirror. You can't tell, but it's me. And me holding the camera. Me inside of the camera. Side of the camera. What's wrong? There we go. So, good thing I'm a contractor. Just like before. We're gonna tear out the walls and stuff in the RV. So, look at this. This is where I did my book nook video, whatever. About reading Old Math Robert and my cat video. That's the last video I recorded. My laptop. Luckily you didn't see the brand of that.